Okay, time to make your home clean and fresh on those cold winter days, and that's why Jessica Knopf is here from Petal Sweet Cleaning in Medina, and she has some deep cleaning tips. And first of all, we should start to clean up your name a little bit. How do you spell your name?
N-O-F-T-Z.
Which letter should we get rid of, you think?
Maybe the F.
Yeah, because I tell you, I had a hard time reading it. When you say it, it's almost like, God bless you.
Right.
God bless you
to my husband, right?
Yeah, there you go. And thank you, thank you. Okay, we're going to clean up, and I know this could be a very rewarding thing once you get engaged,
yes,
right?
Yes, exactly. So we want to get that holiday cleanup finished by this weekend, right? If you haven't done it already.
What?
Yes, this weekend. Just do it.
It's like my wife telling me what to do. By this weekend, this is what we're going to do.
Yes, exactly.
So I see a big tub over here. Is this part of the action?
Yes, definitely. Get some tubs if you don't have them already, and then get out your label maker, or just write directly on the tubs and go room by room. You know, living room Christmas decorations, living room New Year's party decorations, and just go room by room, put them away. Next year when you get them out, you're ready to go.
Sometimes you put stuff away and you forget you have it.
Correct.
So is it a good idea maybe take some pictures around the house before you take it apart?
Absolutely. That will help you and save so much time next year.
Yeah, so you got a picture of what you did, maybe what you might want to change.
Exactly.
And then you know what you have already and you don't forget what you have and you can start over again, right?
Perfect, yes.
Okay, how about throwing stuff out? Are you good at that?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
And I suggest everyone else becomes that way too. So if you have a gift, say you don't want it, you didn't like it, return it. Don't keep it, re-gift it. Don't have it sticking around creating clutter in your house. Just get rid of it, move on.
Yeah, you know, I have some top shelves in my house, so when I get something like that, I put it on the top shelf. And I suddenly discovered there's no room on the top shelves anymore, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
You got to get rid of that stuff.
Yeah,
Yep, clear it out.
So get on a ladder, get up there and clear some of that stuff out, because if you haven't used it, what do you have a rule, like if you haven't used it in so long, get rid of it?
Oh, I mean, some people say a year. I would say 3 months, to be honest with you. 3 months, just get rid of it and move on.
That's crazy, man.
Yep.
I'm like 3 years.
Are you?
Yeah. So this just looks pretty, is this like how you wash your floor now?
I mean, I wish that this would do the job completely for me, but it won't.
What is this?
So these are dust mop slippers. So it's.
Look at that. That's ridiculous.
It's January. Keep your floors clean and keep your feet warm.
Yeah.
Yep.
So then how long do you wear those? Then you throw them in the washer? Is that what you do?
You can wash them. Yep. You can buy these online. They have them in certain stores.
They're very attractive.
So I know, right? All different colors, neon.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
So we have the Christmas cards out here to remind us what?
Yes, to put them away. Again, let's get rid of that clutter. So if you haven't collected your Christmas cards already, collect them. And make a list, an electronic list. Send yourself an email of everyone who sent you a card. And then next year when you start your list, you'll have that list to start with.
You just gave us a really good idea, huh?
Yes. And then on top of that, if you want to keep them, so this card was together before for us, if you want to make gift tags, take them apart, save this part, and it's the perfect gift tag for your presents next year.
You're a thrifty item. That's
Crafty and thrifty, yeah.
Okay, this looks very small for a computer.
That is a label maker. That was for the bin to label. So if you want to get high tech.
How does this thing work?
Oh, goodness. You just press the on button, type in whatever you need, and press print. Right now, there's something on there. So if we press print, is it going to do it for us? It might do it. Sorry.
I'm sort of into it.
There we go. Oh yeah.
I saw one of these. I saw one of these in the building yesterday. I didn't know what it was for. So there it is. It comes out a little label, huh?
Yeah, it comes out a little label, and you clip it. And
so I've got 6 of these in the trunk of my car.
Oh, good.
And but I forget to take them in the grocery store.
Oh.
So what do you do then?
Well, then you have to
go back to the car.
Go back to the car. Yes, you're right.
So what are you using this for today?
So we just are bringing that with us. Cleaning for a Reason is a organization that we partner with, and we provide free cleanings to women undergoing cancer treatment. And actually, I'm sorry, I say women, but it's actually anyone. We've recently changed it. So free cleanings. If you know anyone, they should contact us. They can do that through our website or call us.
Hey, I was thinking about something else too. Cleaning up our house, getting things in order. Flu season.
Yes.
So is there a relationship between cleaning up and flu season for you?
Yes. So this year we've started some new really high-tech things for cleaning up for the flu. We always are trying to get rid of those germs with non-toxic products.
Right.
So without using bleach or anything harsh, we're also bringing in UV lights and steam to go around and get the things you don't think about, like your remote.
Yeah.
Tons of germs are on your remote, or your light switches, door frames, door handles, all that kind of stuff.
So you come to my house, is there some kind of introductory price or something I should be thinking about I'm going to have to pay you to help me out?
We customize the pricing, so it's going to be based on your home specifically, and then if you want to add on the flu buster stuff.
Cost me?
If your house is filthy, I don't know, between 100 and 150 bucks. It depends.
Look at that. You're like an angel.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.